Welcome to the new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you too. Be very careful with this. Let's see, they have brought us an Audi A5 with a 3000 TDI engine, and the owner of the car tells us that a couple of weeks that he has been hearing the brakes screeching. When he brakes in that it is getting harder and harder to stop. Okay, he brought it to us when he had a scare. He was about to crash into a truck that was crossing the road. He went to brake and it stuck to it. He says, "I didn't get under it, because God didn't want it." Let's see, we don't have to apply the brakes so much. Look, besides, we see this more and more frequently, not only in this car, in other cars too. Look, it is braking plate against plate. There is no brake pad there, that is the plate, it is eating the plate and has also destroyed the disc. The 2 discs and the 4 pads are like this, or I mean, don't rush the pills so much. If it hadn't been for the scare with the truck, I'm sure I would have kept going like this, until in the end, this could have ended badly. Be careful with these things. If you hear the brakes screeching or you notice that something is wrong with the brakes, wait, don't delay, go to your trusted garage to have it checked, because it could have had an accident at any time. This car barely brakes. Be careful with this, okay? Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.